The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is presented as the flagship smartphone for 2025. It integrates revolutionary AI capabilities for enhanced user experience. The device boasts unmatched performance for demanding applications and tasks. It also features a professional-grade camera system for high-quality photography and videography. Multi-action AI enables the execution of tasks across multiple applications with a single command. This feature streamlines workflows by automating interconnected actions. For example, it can schedule events in a calendar application. It can also set reminders in a task management app, all from one initial instruction. Gemini Live integration enables users to engage in dynamic conversations. This integration facilitates brainstorming sessions. It also provides real-time assistance for various tasks. Ultimately, Gemini Live enhances user productivity through interactive support. The enhanced circle-to-search feature allows users to quickly identify items. Users can initiate a search by simply circling an object displayed on their screen. This intuitive action prompts the system to recognize and provide information about the circled object. The feature also extends to identifying songs by circling the audio source. AI can analyze photos to understand their content and aesthetic qualities. This analysis enables the creation of custom filters tailored to specific images. Users can apply these AI-generated filters to personalize their visual content. Personalization enhances the visual appeal and uniqueness of photos. AI-driven tools offer a high degree of customization in image editing. This allows users to express their individual style through visual media. The audio eraser feature allows users to precisely adjust audio elements within video recordings. This includes the ability to fine-tune the prominence of voices in the audio track. Users can also adjust the volume and presence of music within the video's audio. The feature provides tools to reduce or eliminate unwanted wind noise captured during recording. By adjusting these elements, users can achieve a more balanced and clear audio experience. This enhances the overall quality and impact of the video content. The device features a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display. This display technology emphasizes clarity for an enhanced viewing experience. Durability is a key feature of the dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display. The display incorporates slim bezels to maximize the viewing area. These features combine to create an immersive viewing experience for the user. The display features a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. This high brightness ensures excellent readability, even in direct sunlight. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Armor 2. Corning Gorilla Armor 2 provides enhanced scratch resistance. These features combine to offer a durable and easily viewable display. The S25 Ultra features a quad-camera system for enhanced photographic capabilities. This system is designed to provide versatility in capturing various types of images. It allows users to take stunning photos in diverse shooting scenarios. The quad-camera setup typically includes a main lens for standard photography. Additional lenses may include ultra-wide, telephoto, and macro options. This combination of lenses enables a wide range of creative and practical photography options. The new camera features a 50MP ultra-wide lens. It captures precision detail in macro shots. It also excels at capturing wide landscapes. This represents a significant upgrade from previous models. The upgrade enhances overall image quality and versatility. The phone features an extensive zoom range for versatile photography. It utilizes a 200MP main sensor to capture detailed images. A 10MP 3X telephoto lens enables clear mid-range zoom shots. The 50MP 5X periscope telephoto lens provides high-quality, long-range zoom capabilities. Advanced videography features provide content creators with enhanced capabilities. Features like Samsung log recording offer professional-level control over color grading. This allows for more precise adjustments and customization in post-production. Such features enable creators to achieve a specific visual aesthetic and enhance the overall quality of their videos. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset excels in delivering fast performance. It demonstrates efficiency in multitasking scenarios. The chipset also provides efficient performance in gaming scenarios. These capabilities are showcased through performance testing. The tests highlight the chipset's capabilities in real-world applications. The device features a premium design aesthetic. A strong aluminum titanium frame enhances durability. The lighter build improves handling and portability. These design choices emphasize both elegance and robustness. The S Pen is a built-in stylus designed for enhanced interaction. It provides a unique value for note-taking directly on the device's screen. The S Pen also facilitates various creative tasks, such as drawing and sketching. This functionality is available despite the removal of Bluetooth connectivity. The absence of Bluetooth does not impede its core functions for writing and art. The S Pen remains a valuable tool for users prioritizing on-screen input. A price drop has been announced for the phone. The new price is set at £350. This reduction aims to make the phone more accessible to a wider range of customers. The lower price point is intended to increase affordability and market reach. The brand offers a range of customizable options to suit individual preferences. Customers can personalize products to align with their specific needs and tastes. Customization extends to various aspects of the product, including features and design. This allows for the creation of unique items that reflect the customer's identity. The brand's commitment to customization enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. Android 14 is the newest version of Google's mobile operating system. It offers improvements in performance, security, and customization. The OS provides enhanced privacy controls for user data. Android 14 also includes new accessibility features and developer tools. The focus is on the device's 7-inch screen size. A 7-inch screen provides a balance between portability and usability. This screen size is suitable for various tasks, including reading and media consumption. The display is designed for indoor use. The screen is being showcased during daylight conditions. HD screen resolution refers to a display with a high pixel density. This high density results in a clearer and more detailed image. HD resolution enhances the viewing experience with sharper visuals. It is a common standard for modern displays, ensuring quality image reproduction. The display refresh rate indicates how many times per second a display updates its image. It is measured in hertz, with a higher number indicating a faster refresh rate. A 144 Hz display refreshes its image 144 times every second. Higher refresh rates result in smoother motion and reduced motion blur. This is particularly beneficial for fast-paced content like gaming and action movies. Cellular communication technologies enable wireless data and voice transmission. GSM, Global System for Mobile Communications, was a widely adopted 2G standard. WCDMA, Wideband Code Division Multiple Access, is a 3G technology offering improved data speeds. LTE, Long-Term Evolution, is a 4G standard providing significantly faster data rates and lower latency. 5G represents the latest generation, promising even higher speeds, lower latency, and increased capacity. CDMA, Code Division Multiple Access, is an alternative technology used in some regions and networks. The focus is on the MTK Dimensity series of processors. MTK Dimensity processors are designed for mobile devices. These processors aim to deliver high performance and efficiency. The series represents MediaTek's advancements in mobile computing technology. This scene focuses on devices with a battery capacity exceeding 8,000 mAh. A high battery capacity typically ensures extended usage time. Devices with such batteries are suitable for power users and those needing long operation without charging. The emphasis is on the advantage of prolonged device functionality. The device features a high-resolution 108MP rear camera for detailed photography. This allows for capturing images with a high level of clarity and detail. The front camera boasts a resolution exceeding 48 MP. This high-resolution front camera is suitable for selfies and video calls. These camera specifications ensure high-quality image and video capture capabilities.